My name is Om Kadam, and today we are discussing about the one of the feature of the Java. That is a Java. It is a platform independent. The platform independent means the platform doesn't matter. We can run it on any of the platform by installing the software or by installing a JDK. That is a Java development kit. The JRE and JVM comes with that software, and we have to install that software on any of the platform, and it can directly runs our program. Or there are basically three phases for the Java program. First one is writing the source code and save with the extension called .java, and that file give as a input to the compiler, and compiler checks that all statements are correct, syntax are correct, or all statements are legal, means that are not leaking any leakages. So that is a bytecode verifier that checks all statements, and if they are legal, that time it can create a dot class file that is also called as a bytecode file, and that file give as by that file we can execute the file. So that is that time for the execution .exe file will created, and that bytecode makes Java as a platform independent. And in the way when we have Windows, when we have Mac OS, when we have any of the OS, that time we have to install the software, and once we have installed, then output doesn't change, means we can, if we have changed the platform, means like we have shifted from Windows to Linux, that time once the bytecode is created, output doesn't change anywhere, means we can compile it on any of the machine, and we can run it on anywhere. That makes a ORA principle, means write once and run anywhere. That makes Java as a platform independent. And Java is also distributed language because of that only. But Java, it is more popular by the Java. It is a platform independent. The bytecode makes Java as a platform independent, and the main advantage of that is to be when once the software is developed, and when we have to install that software on a client side or on site, that time if we have write a code inside a program, and that code is not working over the client side, so that is a big issue. So to avoid that, Java invented the feature that is a platform independent. Thank you.